Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out in Gemini. So to log out of the Gemini, you need to manage your Google account settings on your device because the app or on the web is linked to your primary login. So you need to do on every device, you will need to do basically the same. So when you are in Gemini, go at the top right corner where you see your profile picture, and then right there you will see sign out of all accounts, and just hit that button and you will be sign out basically on the whole Google, and just like that you will be logged out of the Gemini. Now if you don't want that data is saved when you searching something for with Gemini, or if you're doing something with Gemini, you can turn off, you can open up in incognito window. So I will show you right now. If you right click here on the Chrome icon, right click, and then you have here new incognito window. Click on that and this will open up the incognito, and now we can type in Gemini, and as you can see right here you can sign up, or you say and now it won't save any information about those chats because you are not signed in. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like that and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.